This operational video is supplementary to the instruction provided in the manual and is not a substitute for reading the manual and following its instructions and warnings. Before utilizing wheelchair accessible features, park the vehicle on a level surface away from vehicular traffic. Open the passenger side slide door from inside or outside using the OEM door handles. Entrance sliding functions in sync with the OEM interior lights. The ramp is equipped with a deploy stow pole with handle at the top. Disengage the pole from the B-pillar stow clip. Carefully deploy using the handle. The pole will flex slightly during operation. Be sure the ramp has been fully deployed before boarding the ramp. An oval-shaped handhold slot is also provided on the ramp. The handhold can be used as an alternative method of operation. When stowing, slide the ramp straight into the cassette. Avoid binding the ramp. Keep clear of the ramp enclosure when stowing the ramp. Remember to use good body mechanics when deploying and stowing the ramp. The passenger side slide door must be fully closed before the transmission can be shifted out of park. The passenger and driver side sliding doors can also be opened and closed using the driver overhead buttons. And while the rear hatch can also be opened and closed with the driver overhead button, the rear hatch is also equipped with an interior hatch release. Pull the release to unlatch and open the hatch. An ADA-compliant manual sliding door provides 56¼ inches of vertical opening. The ADA-compliant, manually operated Infloor ramp provides an unobstructed doorway, maximum visibility, and an increased interior space. This vehicle has a lowered floor from rear axle to the toe pan. This feature provides additional headroom and further reduces the slope of the ramp. The lowered floor results in reduced ground clearance. Be aware of limited ground clearance while driving. Exterior ground effects panels conceal the lowered floor and lowered sliding doors. The OEM driver's seat is mounted to a fixed, non-removable seat base riser. The passenger seat can be removed, and the seat location can be occupied by a wheelchair passenger. This feature allows the owner and sales representative to determine the appropriate seating arrangement to accommodate owner needs. Before removing seats, be certain all seat electrical harnesses are disconnected. Carefully insert the seat harness plug in the receptacle socket. The seat harness connector will lock into the socket. Quick release seat base attachments engage recessed floor strikers. A foot-activated release pedal is located at the rear of the seat base. Stepping on the release pedal disengages the attachments and deploys the seat base rear wheels. Pull up and back on the rear of the seat. Then roll the seat base out of the vehicle. To install, roll the seat base into position just behind the floor-mounted strikers. Depress the rear engagement pedal to stow rear wheels and engage rear seat attachments with the floor strikers. Connect the seat electrical harness to the B-pillar receptacle. A 2-passenger fold-away seat is available as a midpoint seating option. The 2-passenger seat is mounted on a cantilever seat base. The seat can be stowed clear of the lowered floor for unrestricted wheelchair access when not in use. To deploy the seat, rotate the truss lock clockwise to unlock the seat. Push the seat deploy latch, then pull the top of the seat and lower it to the full horizontal position. Lift the recline lever and raise the seat back rearward to the vertical position. Ensure latch engagement. To stow the seat back, lift the recline lever and lower the seat back forward to horizontal position. Lift the seat stow latch and lift the seat to the full vertical position. Rotate the truss lock counterclockwise to lock the seat. A lighted third-row seat footrest is provided to accommodate passengers' footing with the lowered floor. The securement location features a horizontal L-track floor anchorage layout to maximize securement space, and QRT Deluxe wheelchair securements, which are automatic locking and self-tensioning. There are a variety of occupant securement options available depending on the needs of the passenger. The new commercial Infloor Simple Stow by BraunAbility is a commitment to inclusivity and a better transportation experience for everyone. Join us in revolutionizing the way we move with the most trusted brand in mobility. Visit our website for more information and experience the difference of a brand built to trust. The BraunAbility Commercial Infloor Simple Stow.